Good morning. Our lesson for today is under adding similar fraction. First, look at the example of fraction. Example, 3 over 7 is the example of a fraction. 3 is called numerator and 7 is denominator. So we're going to add both numerator 3 plus 2, then 7 copy denominator. Okay, example, 3 plus 2 equals 5, then copy 7. So if you add similar fraction, 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7 equals 5 over 7. Another example of adding similar fraction is 8 over 11 plus 1 over 11. So add both numerator 8 plus 1 equals 9, and then copy the denominator 11. So if you add 8 plus 1 equals 9, then copy denominators is 11. Okay? So guys, thank you sa naintindihan po niyo in adding similar fraction. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Bye-bye.